Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. As all of you know, I love chicken. And I was at a restaurant one time and had this jerk chicken and it was so good. And I thought, I wonder if I can reproduce that. I gave it a shot and it came out awesome. So let me show you how to do this. I'll walk you through it and let's get started. Okay guys, let's kick things off with our ingredients. And what I've got first is a small red onion that I've chopped up. So I'm going to add this to my food processor. Followed by an 1.5 inch ginger, I've chopped that up as well, and 4 cloves of garlic. And these are fairly hefty cloves. 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. The juice of a squeezed lime. This is about 1/3 cup. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And now our ever so pleasant spices. So what I have is 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Cayenne pepper, it's fairly spicy, so don't do like I do and stick it on your tongue, it's gonna hurt. Now I know these spices seem kind of weird, but it is jerk chicken and they do work nicely together. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and add these to our food processor. Now you can do this by hand too, but the food processor works so much easier. Place the lid on here. And we'll just give this a few pulses. And we'll open this up here. This smells just like jerk chicken. That's funny, it is jerk chicken. Now what I have here are some chicken parts, and they're primarily thighs and legs. Stop jerking around, chicken. Just a little joke there. And we'll pour our mixture over the top. Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision, guys. This smells so good. And I'm wearing my gloves. And we'll just mix this and massage it into the meat. You know, chickens like massages too. So we'll cover this up, and I'm going to place this in the fridge for about 3 hours. Overnight is the best. What you could do is do it up the night before and just leave it in there, and then you'd be ready to bake or fry the next day. Okay, what I've got here is a baking tray lined with some aluminum foil, and I'm just going to spray this with some baking spray, just to double ensure it doesn't stick. After about 3 hours, the chicken is nicely marinated, and like I said before, you can do it overnight. And we're going to place this in, skin side up. You can do this in a barbecue too, guys, or grill. I just like mine baked, and it's that time of year here. It's winter. Of course, I got some of that beautiful juice left over, so I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to spoon it over top of the chicken. Just wonderful. Now we're going to set this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, about 180, 190 Celsius, preheated oven for about 40-45 minutes. Okay guys, after about 45 minutes in the oven, I'm just going to set this to broil just to get that nice char and leave this for, I'd say 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 minutes on broil, guys, there you have it, our beautiful, wonderful jerk chicken, fresh from Jamaica. I bet you this is going to be so good. Alright, let's go ahead and plate this up. Go ahead and garnish this up with some green onions. Some lemon wedges, just for good luck and additional flavor. And maybe one in here. And now the time I love so much is the taste test. So I'm just going to cut a piece off here. You can pick this up with your fingers too, but I'm going to be a little bit more delicate. This is so delicious. I just love it. It's got that bit of heat from the cayenne pepper. It's juicy. Those spices are just absolutely incredible. You gotta try this, guys. Believe me, it's well worth the effort. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there, especially chicken recipes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Stay safe and see you next time.